Well, as you can see, we have the sunshine and the blue skies, and that's going to do two things for our Friday. One, it'll of course heat us up, and we could see some instability develop in the sky. See how there's some cumulus clouds off in the distance, and we also have some as we look to the north and the northeast. So those clouds could produce some rainfall later on this afternoon, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock or so. We could see a couple of showers. There won't be that much, but again, the heat from the sunshine will help to produce a little extra instability in the sky. Now, another thing that the clear skies mean is that we'll see our temperatures drop again tonight. We'll likely see our low temperatures drop down into the 50s for many spots. And we also have a chance to see some really thick fog. So let me show you what the graphics are for that, and I'll also show you a little explainer about the type of fog that's going to develop for tonight. So we're back in the studio, and once again we could see some patchy and maybe dense fog redevelop across our area tonight, and it's because of the type of weather that we have. We have those ingredients that are perfect for fog to redevelop, and there's really two types of fog. This one here is talking more about radiation fog. Essentially, we have the sun that gives us all that solar radiation, all that solar energy. That energy escapes back to space at night because we have those clear skies. Calm winds are also going to be one of those key ingredients too, as the fog develops across many areas. It spreads from the bay over the eastern shore, over the middle peninsula, and throughout the south side and into North Carolina. And that fog will quickly develop after sunset, probably 8, 9 o'clock or so. I believe we'll have fog like we did last night. We'll see some dense fog redevelop across our area tonight with visibilities that'll probably be around 1/4 mile or less. This is at 9 p.m. and you can see what the visibility is looking like here. Under 1/4 mile throughout much of the Hampton Road cities and also into North Carolina. We have a dense area of fog that develops, and that continues to be with us as we go into tomorrow morning. You can see the time here at the top of the screen at 7 a.m. We have still some fog that lingers into the area that should disappear and dissipate by 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, and we won't have any problems. Notice how across the eastern shore there's fog over the water, but there's no fog across the eastern shore. And same thing also for the peninsula and the middle peninsula as well. It kind of follows that nice outline of the water and where the water is and where it isn't. So that's what we're seeing for tonight. Expect more fog across the area. We'll probably also have some fog Saturday night going into Sunday morning because the weather pattern really isn't changing that much. We have more humidity on the way later next week, and also some heavy rain maybe later next week as the remnants of Eta starts to move into the area. I'll show you an update on that on our 4 o'clock newscast, and also another view of what we have in store for your weekend ahead. Great weekend to be outside, though temperatures are still warm. Have a good weekend. I'll see you later.